How to speed up HMA Pro VPN connection. If you're having speed issues while using HMA VPN, please take some time to read through this article. You'll find troubleshooting steps for each operating system, as well as routers, so click on the operating system you're running and follow the steps. The proposed actions should resolve all speed issues you might be experiencing. When you use HMA VPN, the speed of your internet connection should not be greatly affected. Of course, this depends on several factors like server load, distance to server, speeds of your ISP, selected VPN protocol, network adapters, etc. Should your speeds be lower than expected, there are several things you can try to improve your speed. Use a different VPN protocol, OpenVPN registered PPTP L2TP, and test again. Switch to a different VPN server. Nearest does not necessarily mean fastest. Try different locations and countries. Try using OpenVPN registered UDP with our alternative clients. It's much faster than PPTP, L2TP, or usual OpenVPN registered TCP. To connect via OpenVPN registered UDP, you need to use the UDP specific config files from http://idemyes.com/vpn-config/udp. Tweak your network settings as explained below. Windows, Vista/7/8/10/11, 1. The first and easiest step is to use our integrated speed guide feature within some old HMA VPN client. To do this, please disconnect from the VPN and click on Speed Guide on the left side of the HMA VPN panel. Then select the servers you wish to connect to and run a full speed test. Once the test is complete, try connecting to the fastest server. See image below. You have the complete HMA server list, showing you countries, states, and cities of the VPN, well as locations, LOC, data centers, and servers, S1, S2, etc. This list also shows you the approximate distance between you, the client, and the location of the VPN server. On the bottom right you'll find 3 buttons you can use to run a ping test, to check the latency, run an express test, faster than the full test, but less accurate, run a full test, most accurate. For the best and most effective results, test the VPN servers that are closest to you. Select a few servers from the list. Now perform a ping test by clicking the ping test button. A new window will open, displaying the progress of the test. Ping tests are completed quickly, and then it shows you the ping value, latency, and the score, calculated by the client to evaluate servers and the results. You can now click a server to pre-select it, which means it will be selected as VPN server to connect to in the client's dashboard tab. Note that the latency, ping value, does not give much information about the bandwidth, download plus upload speed, you can get on a VPN server. It is more like a reaction test. So let's do an express test to get estimated download plus upload speeds for your internet connections capabilities on the VPN servers you selected for the test. Note that this test includes a ping test. After the test has been completed, you'll be displayed with the ping values, download speeds, upload speeds, and the score. Note that the express test is less accurate and may, depending on your connection and other factors, give quite different results from the full test. The express test is downloading/uploading a smaller file than the full test does. Since speeds vary during a transfer, a bigger file will give more exact results. Finally, let's do a full test to get the most accurate results for possible download plus upload speeds on the VPN servers. Once the test has been completed, you'll again get displayed with the ping value, download speeds, upload speeds, and the score. You should notice that the speeds here are higher than the results from the express test, since the test is more accurate. Of course, speeds depend on many factors: your connection, your internet provider, your network settings, the server's connection, server's usage, and many more. Due to this, it makes sense to repeat tests every now and then to see if you get different results than before. That's what the History tab, right next to the Speed Guide tab, is for. Here you can check the results of previous speed tests you have performed and compare the results. You can of course also test your speeds on external sites, e.g. by connecting to a VPN server and then running a test on http://www.speedtest.net. 2. The second suggestion is to try switching between protocols, which you will find on the HMA VPN dashboard. Please make sure you try both OpenVPN registered and PPTP, since the performance of each protocol will depend on your network settings. 3. You can also try our auto path feature. It will increase your speed by selecting the optimal connection path for you. To enable it, please click on Dashboard on the left side of the HMA VPN panel. Then click on the Settings tab and tick the auto path. See image below for virtual locations. If applicable, you just need to connect to the corresponding VPN server. In our HMA VPN client for Windows and Mac, for example, you can simply select the virtual location servers. A. In the dashboard's Quick VPN Location Change drop-down list. B. In the Country Selection tab. DNS may speed up your connection. You can easily change your DNS settings as explained below for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS by following steps provided on this link. Changing your DNS settings. Mac OS X. 1. The first and easiest step is to use our integrated speed guide feature within the HMA VPN client. To do this, please disconnect from a VPN and click on Speed Guide on the left side of the HMA VPN panel. Then select the servers you wish to connect to and run a full speed test. Once the test is complete, try connecting to the fastest server. See image below 2. The second suggestion is to try switching between protocols, which you will find on the HMA VPN dashboard. Please Please make sure you try both OpenVPN registered and PPTP, since the performance of each protocol will depend on your network settings. 3. You can also try our auto path feature. It will increase your speed by selecting the optimal connection path for you. To enable it, please click on Dashboard on the left side of the HMA VPN panel. Then click on the Settings tab and tick the auto path. See image below for virtual locations. If applicable, you just need to connect to the corresponding VPN server. In our HMA VPN client for Windows and Mac, for example, you can simply select the virtual location servers. A. In the dashboard's Quick VPN Location Change drop-down list. B. In the Country Selection tab. 5. DNS may speed up your connection. You can easily change your DNS settings as explained below for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS by following steps provided on this link. Changing your DNS settings. Routers. 1. The first and easiest step is to use our integrated speed guide feature within the HMA VPN client. It is available only on Windows and Mac clients, however you can use the results on your router. To do this, please disconnect from the VPN and click on Speed Guide on the left side of the HMA VPN panel. Then select the servers you wish to connect to and run a full speed test. Once the test is complete, try connecting to the fastest server, see image below too. If applicable, depending on router firmware, we recommend that you should try switching between protocols, OpenVPN registered, L2TP and PPTP. 3. DNS may speed up your connection. You can easily change your DNS settings as explained below for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS by following steps provided on this link. Changing your DNS settings. Advanced, all operating system speed test. To test your connection speed before and after tweaking anything, you can use EGA speed test at http://www.speedtest.net. Download and test file from qse.de. Network tweaking. There are numerous ways to tweak your network, TCP, and browser settings. All tools you will need are linked below. Deactivate half open limit. Windows first, you should deactivate the limit for half open connections Windows has. There are several tools for that, e.g. TCPZ, Universal TCP/IP patch, EVID, LVL Lord patch, TCP patch. Search for it with Google. The goal is to set the limit to 255 or deactivate it completely, depending on your Windows version. Network tweaking with TCP Optimizer. Windows TCP Optimizer is the best freeware tool for optimizing, tweaking and tuning network settings normal users don't have access to or know of. It replaces all known NetTweak apps due to its complexity. By using the presets, Windows Default, Current, Optimal, Custom, you can easily tweak all settings with one click. Download TCP Optimizer. http://www.speedguide.net/file/tcpoptimizer.exe. Documentation and help. http://www.speedguide.net/tcpoptimizer.php. FAQ. http://www.speedguide.net/faq_in.php ? Category =$100. Tutorial videos. http://www.youtube.com/view_play_list ? P =$089D35A18C5211B4. Unnecessary protocols and services. Windows on Windows, you should check the advanced settings of your network adapter in the Windows Network Center. It often contains unnecessary and useful protocols and services that are slowing down your internet connection. Disable, or better, uninstall services like QoS Packet Scheduler, VirtualBox/VMware drivers, protocols, and services, link layer topology, Bluetooth related. Basically you can uninstall everything except Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. This is the only thing that's essential for the internet connection to work. However, should you lose connectivity after changing anything here, you can just reboot your computer and reinstall the removed things again, one by one. Use the fastest DNS server. All operating systems with tools like Namebench or BrowserMob DNS Pro, you can test which is the fastest DNS server for you. For most people it is Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8 plus 8.8.4.4, but they log your DNS queries. There are others which are also fast and not from Google. How to change your DNS settings, see article How to change DNS settings. Download Namebench, https://code.google.com/p/namebench/download/list. Win/Mac/Linux, download BrowserMob DNS perf, http://wiki.hidms.com/images/browsermob-dns-perf.zip, Win plus Java, Tweaking Mac OS X. Mac OS X does not have as many possible tweaks and networking related settings as Windows does, but still there are some things you can try. TCP tweaks. Start up a terminal window and run the following commands. sudo sysctlw net.inet.tcp.rfc1323 equals 1 sudo sysctlw kern.ipc.maxsockbuff equals 167777216. sudo sysctlw net.inet.tcp.send space equals 10485676. sudo sysctlw net.inet.tcp.rect space equals 10485676. Apple Broadband Tuner. Installing this tool automatically sets the following settings: net.inet.tcp.send space 131,072 net.inet.tcp.rect space 358,400 kern.ipc.maxsockbuff 512,000 download ht support.apple.com/download/broadband_tuner_1_0. Tweaking Linux. Please note that any of the following suggested modifications may improve performance and stability as well as make it worse. To know if a setting has a positive, negative, or any effect at all, it's a good idea to keep doing speed tests before and after each change. Modify TCP settings in sysctl.conf. Changing TCP settings on Linux is done by adding the corresponding lines at the end of the file /etc/sysctl.conf and then running sysctlp to apply the changes. You should make a backup of the file, e.g. run cp/etc/sysctl.conf/etc/sysctl.backup. net.core.umem_max equals 167777216 net.core.umem_max equals 167777216 net.ipv4.tcp_umem equals 409687,380 167777216 net.ipv4.tcp_umem equals 409665,536 167777216 net.ipv4.tcp_no_metrics_save equals 1 net.ipv4.tcp_congestion_control equals HTCP. To increase TCP throughput, run this. Replace F0 with your network device identifier if different, e.g. 10 if config F0 skill and 1000 disable auto-tuning to prevent unwanted behavior, sysctlw net.ipv4.root.flush equals 1. Modify TCP congestion control. The sysctl variable net.ipv4.tcp_congestion_control is set to Reno by default. You can set it to one of the following options: Reno, traditional TCP used by almost all other USs. Default, big TCP high speed TCP, Sally Floyd suggested algorithm HTCP, Hamilton TCP Hybla, for satellite link scalable TCP Vegas Westwood, optimized for lossy networks e.g. run this, sysctlw net.ipv4.tcp_congestion_control equals HTCP. Disable segmentation offload, decreases performance but increases stability, F-toolk F0 so off additional, all operating systems if you have a WLAN connection, change your router's channel and other WLAN related settings to see if you can get a better signal. Also, consider using a wired network setup instead of WLAN. It's more secure and always faster. Temporarily disable your firewall to see if this has a significant effect on your connection performance. If it does, check your firewall settings, remove unnecessary rules or consider using a different firewall software. Close any applications that can transfer data and are running in the background, e.g. file sharing applications. Always make sure you have the latest available device drivers for your computer, router firmware, Ethernet adapter, and motherboard drivers, BIOS update, etc. If you have a network device from Realtek, click here. Otherwise check the website of your motherboard/network device manufacturer. Updating your operating system is also a good idea. You should regularly check Windows Update. Old routers, or even new router that are provided to you by your internet provider, are often using outdated firmware or are technically badly manufactured. This can make a difference of multiple megabits. Consider getting a better router. Links, registry tweaks, http://www.speedguide.net/articles.php ?category =93. Downloads, http://www.speedguide.net/downloads.php. Security scan, http://www.speedguide.net/scan.php. Tweaks for all operating systems, http://xgu.ru/wiki/tcp_tuning. If you have any other network and bandwidth specific tweaks, feel free to let us know. We can also use reports on the results of your speed tweaking, so we know which tweaks to recommend. We have also added one new protocol to our service, IPsec, which should increase connection speed. Therefore you can try and set it up by following steps provided in our tutorial, how to connect using IPsec protocol.